I've got another unusual question for you today. Would you hire an attorney based upon a radio advertisement that you heard for 15 seconds or for 30 seconds? You want to know why I asked this question? Come join me for a moment and I'll tell you exactly why I asked this question. Hi, I'm Jerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law in the state of New York. I asked this question because if you're looking for an attorney to help solve your legal problem and you're driving down the street listening to the radio and now you hear an attorney on radio for 15 seconds shout out a message to you, are you automatically going to reach for that phone to call that attorney? Before you reach for your phone to go ahead and call the attorney whose radio ad you heard, I have a few questions for you. What do you know about this attorney? What do you know about the attorney's success rate? What do you know about what the attorney can do to help solve your legal problem just from that radio ad? And here's a more important question. How does that attorney distinguish himself from any other attorney you're going to hear in a radio ad? If the answer is nothing, there's nothing to distinguish one lawyer from the other, then why isn't attorney number 2 right for you who you hear in the next radio ad, or the next one, or the next one? If none of these attorneys can distinguish themselves in a radio advertisement, then how do you truly know that they are the right attorneys for you? You see, one of your key goals as an injured victim, before you ever call an attorney, is to learn as much as possible about how the lawsuit process works in the state of New York. And really the question for you is, what information did you really learn from a 15-second radio ad, a 30-second radio ad? Did the attorney teach you anything besides screaming out loudly saying, we handle these types of cases, this is what we do every day, you should call us? My question for you is, why should you call that lawyer and not the next lawyer you hear in the next radio ad, or the next radio ad, or the next? And if you can't answer that question, then how do you really know that that's the right lawyer for you, and not the next one, or the next one? So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding that there's so many marketing messages out there that you have to ask yourself critically, listen, this attorney might be right for you, but what information do you truly learn from that radio ad? What do you really know about this attorney? And importantly, what has he taught you about your specific problem just from that radio advertisement? You know, I realize you're watching this because you likely have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter happened here in New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Jerry, G-E-R-R-Y, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Jerry Oginski. Have a great day.